How to see blocked users on Discord mobile. Hello guys, in this video we will show you how to see blocked users on your Discord mobile. Now go to Discord and then go to settings, click here, and now you need to find this one, my account. Click on it and then this one, click on it. Now I need you to just click unblock if you want to unblock the user, and you can unblock it from here. Click here and then click this icon and click unblock. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.